In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect your Exness trading account to your MetaTrader 5. So first of all, what you're going to do is just log into your Exness account. After you log into your Exness account, make sure to select the current account you want to connect to your MetaTrader 5. That is, you can click on this forward arrow here. After I click on it, select the account you want to connect, whether it is real or demo. Then after I select it, then click on these three dots, the details. After I click on it, then click on settings at the top right. After I click on settings, go down, then copy this server, then click on copy. After I click on copy, minimize and go to your MetaTrader 5. After you enter your MetaTrader 5, click on this plus icon at the top right. Then after that, click on this search define broker, then paste the server that you copied from Exness. After I paste it, it's gonna automatically select the correct server for you. Then click on it. After I click on it, then minimize again. After I minimize, go back to your Exness. Then copy this login at the bottom. After I copy this login, then go back to your MetaTrader 5. Then after that, paste the login. After I paste the login, then copy your Exness password that you used when registering, when creating the account that you want to connect. As you remember, you use a password, then put the password here. After that, can save the password or not. Then after that, click on login. Then it's gonna automatically log into your, it's gonna connect your Exness and MetaTrader 5 together. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe.